Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to kiss tutorial Sam and Jess easy guide. Start by ensuring both partners feel comfortable and relaxed. Close your eyes briefly to focus on the moment and breathe slowly. Tilt your head slightly to avoid nose bumping and keep lips soft, not tense. Begin with gentle, short kisses and gauge response before increasing intensity. Communicate through touch and small sounds to maintain connection and consent. Lean in with confidence but stay attentive to your partner's cues and move at a comfortable pace. Start with closed mouth kisses, then open slightly if both respond positively. Vary pressure and rhythm to keep things interesting without overwhelming, and use hands to gently hold the face or waist for closeness. Take short pauses to smile or breathe together, which builds intimacy. Respect boundaries and stop immediately if anyone feels uncomfortable. Consider different kiss styles like peck, lip kiss, or French kiss, and match style to the moment and comfort level. Pay attention to hygiene with fresh breath and moisturized lips to make kissing more pleasant. Use subtle cues like hand placement or eye contact to introduce new techniques slowly. If unsure, ask verbally or non-verbally for permission before trying something new. Practice gently and remember that every kiss can teach you about your partner's preferences.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.